In Central Oregon, life is lived outside, on the trails, the slopes, and the water. With 300 days of sunshine, world-class recreation, and the vibrant mountain town of Bend just minutes away, it's easy to see why so many call this place home. And now, your perfect base camp awaits in Painted Ridge at Broken Top. Let's take a look. Step inside and you'll find vaulted ceilings, hardwood floors, and a chef's kitchen with high-end appliances, granite countertops, and a spacious island, blending function and style for everyday living or entertaining after a day outdoors. The main level features 2 bedrooms, including the primary suite, both outfitted with custom California closets for smart, elegant storage. Upstairs, you'll find a 3rd ensuite bedroom and a spacious bonus room with a wet bar, walk-in closet, and full bath, ideal for a home office, media room, or guest retreat. Additional comforts include dual-zone heating and cooling with a commercial-grade air filtration system, plus a large mudroom with laundry, built-ins, and a utility sink. The garage offers abundant storage for all of your gear and includes a 15 by 15 foot loft with pull-down ladder and lighting. Out back, a private covered patio opens to peaceful open space and natural landscaping. This is lock and leave convenience, luxury finishes, and unmatched access to everything Central Oregon has to offer.